Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look them up. DJ Booth. Could be Joe. Mama talk say you know the rush If not true love, no need to force
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. I appreciate. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate. Anyway guys, if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. This hair is quite affordable. On the head it is super light, but I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this affordable look. Guys, if ladies with multiple children, sometimes you just want to rush out of the house but looking decent. That's if we don't have a time to curl our hair or comb our hair out. You can just fling this on and then boom, you're out looking leveled up. You know what I mean. You're out of the house looking leveled up. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's get started. And can I just say, this hair is so affordable. I may leave a link. I bought mine from my local beauty shop, but I will leave a link if I see it on Amazon. I haven't really checked anyway, but if I see it on Amazon, I will leave a link in the description box where you guys can check it out. And yeah, anyway guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, leave a like sign if you do like the video, and let's get started. Let's get started. Okay guys, let me be serious here. Let's get started. Okay guys, I love the bag my wig came in. Anyway guys, the name of this wig is called Kali. It is a lace wig and I got mine in color 2. I will also leave the name of the wig and the color in the description box below. Ladies, inside this wig there is a small leaflet inside the packaging, and behind the leaflet there is instructions on how to care for your wig, and there are just basic instruction. Also guys, look at the coil. It is super bouncy and the length is just perfect for myself. You can also trim it if you want to. Anyway guys, it is a lace wig with clips at the front to secure it, and also you have clips at the back. At both sides of the wig, you have adjustable straps to tighten your wig to whatever you feel is comfortable for yourself. And yeah, next you will need the scissors and a comb, and of course a wig spray. Basically, I got mine at my local beauty shop. This was I think $4.99. Okay guys, it is quite easy. Basically, all you need to do is trim those lace off. Don't worry if you get the trimming wrong, you'll be fine. Okay guys, let me take off my braid wig and try this on. Okay guys, what do you guys think? I think this wig gives me this girly look, and yeah, I haven't styled it out yet and it looks pretty. Also guys, this wig costs £35 and they come in I think 2 different lengths. The one I have on is the longer length. They also have another one in a shorter length and it comes in various color. I am also going to buy a different color and do the review. And can I just say, as at the time I'm doing my voiceover, I have had this wig for about 3 weeks. And guys, the coils is still bouncy. You don't have to do much. You can comb it using your finger or a large tooth comb. Okay guys, here I'm just cutting the lace of my wig and it is quite easy to do. Okay guys, I'm all done and voila. I'm now going to apply my wig control spray just to give the hair that lovely shine, so as to give it a lovely natural look. And using my fingers to comb the hair, I was able to achieve this look. And yeah, what do you guys think? This wig comes with just one pattern, so you can either wear it center or sideways. Also guys, if you would like me to do more affordable quality wig review, do leave comments down below, and I will gladly do that, because hey, sometimes we busy moms, or if you're a student, busy student, it is quite difficult to rock your natural hair, but having a wig, sometimes in emergency, in a hurry, you can just put it on and you can leave the house looking leveled up, basically. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another wig review video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye now.